in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use OMNY with credit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the main options to issue payments whenever you come across an OMNY card reader and how to board any subway or bus in New York City. So the primary way to do this is always going to be through the physical card. You simply have to locate the physical card reader and then place your phone near it. Usually you will see a symbol like this to indicate that contactless payments can be issued. Now, if you wish to use a credit card, the most convenient way to do this is to attach the credit card to a digital wallet of your choice. If you are using an iPhone, then this is going to be the Apple Wallet, and if you are using an Android device, it's most likely going to be the Google Wallet. Just open the digital wallet, and in here you will be able to tap the plus sign and choose to add a new credit or debit card. You input all of the details of the card and then confirm through your bank. Once the card has been added into the digital wallet, all that you have to do is, instead of placing your physical card near the OMNY card reader, you place your phone with the credit or debit card attached to the digital wallet. As long as NFC capabilities were enabled in the setting, the payment will be taken from this card and you will be able to board any subway or bus with an OMNY card reader. It's as simple as physically placing your phone near the reader. Now, this should also work even if you don't attach the card to a digital wallet, but I recommend using your phone for security and convenience. If you want to, and you see that your standard credit card has the contactless payment symbol, usually a bunch of lines like this one, then physically place your card near the card reader and see if it works. If it doesn't, then you will have to add it to a digital wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to use OMNY with credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.